All right, today we're going to bring some snap ring pliers, and these are perfect sizes, different sizes. All right, they come with their own case, their own enclosure here. You have to see it, so you can take it to go, snap it in. It has a Velcro here, so you can snap on. I like the whole setup. I like this different sizes that they have, so you can open them and close them. There's some that open, some that actually close the opposite way. So I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do with them. And I do have some snap rings that we're going to go over them and see how it works. So let's go ahead and try a couple of these and test them out. All right, let's start with the first one. And if you guys can see, by closing it, it's going to actually expand on this one. Really tiny on the actual part of this, so you can actually get the smallest snap ring. And this one right here opens up, and this is more like a flatter one. All right, so instead of the curve like this one, like the L shape, it's a little different. Here goes another L shape wire version, but this one's actually, it's the opposite. You guys can see that this is the opposite tool of that. So this is a closed one, this is the open one automatically. And then of course we got the opposite of this one too. So open and close. So when you have some snap rings, for example here, some of these you could open them up to grab on, and the way you do it, you snap them in there. They have little indentations, if you guys can see that. There it is. So when you want to snap it on to something, you can open it up a little bit more. It opens up a little bit and so forth, right? So open up like that, close it, snap it in there. Do it slowly so you won't break them, all right? And that's pretty much how it works. Now if you want to do the opposite way with the flatter one, you can do it from the top on this one, right? And on this one, you open it up too, snap it in there, lock it in place, take it off. Now there it is. If you're coming from the side, open it slowly, snaps in place, let it go. That's how it works.